Hi, today we are going to learn a new lesson for about 9th class. This is from the geography. The lesson is India, size and location. India size and location. And if you see about India's size and location means already nowadays we are using about location. If you are being anywhere through the phone, WhatsApp, the other person asking that send your location where you are being. So what is mean of the location? The exact point where we are being, exactly where we are being, that we can call as location. Okay, and now we are talking about India. So in the previous classes we learned about India, what that it is already having a civilization, that what Indus Valley civilization, nearby the Indus River there was a civilization. They lived for many years there, and laterly due to some problems that was closed. So from that time onwards and up to now, India is developed in many areas. Okay, so it is developed agriculturally, industrially, technologically. In the agriculture, industrial and technology. In these many ways, it's developed a lot. And also India is contributing significantly to the making of world history also. So today in India, the younger generation is, many people are there. Also we are calling a young, not Hindustan, Youngistan. Why? Because young stars and young generation, more people are being in India. Okay. So now about this India particularly we are going to know. Okay. So now we are going to see about location. Just now I called about location. But where India is located? Where India is located? So India is a vast country, already we know. So laying entirely in the northern hemisphere, the main land extends between latitudes. What are the latitudes? Just we'll see. The latitudes between 8 degrees 4 minutes and next one 37 degrees north, 37 degrees about 37 degrees 6 minutes north. This is about telling north. And next another one, it is being the longitudes 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude and 97 degrees 25 minutes. Location of India being between 8 degrees 4 minutes north. What is the north? Is that it is being between the latitudes. North latitude 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. This showing about latitudes, this showing about longitudes. Already we know what do mean of longitudes, latitudes. Example, if it is a globe. So these are lines are all called, already we know. The vertical lines are called longitudes. Horizontal lines are called latitudes. So now we came to know that what is latitude, what is longitude. These vertical lines we are calling longitudes. These horizontal lines are calling latitudes. Already we came to know these are all about. But now India is located where on the globe? So that is the point we are going to learn. So already we learn about what grid system. Grid. What do you mean of the grid? Actually, where the meeting point, meeting point of the longitude and latitude. Meeting point of the longitude and latitude. So this total here one longitude, these two longitudes and these two latitudes. So this is called a meeting point. Here we can take a square from here. So this we can call as a grid, this grid point. Okay, so like this, if you want to show India, where India is located. Okay, so that now we have to see. So India is being between 8 degrees 4 minutes north. So if we take 0 from here, so if it is a 0 degree latitude, so from 8 degrees means up to 0 to towards the north part only. We have to talk about the north part only. Understand? Why? 1 minute. Why we want to go towards north part? Because India, total land mass of India lies, example, it is a globe of this total area called as a northern hemisphere. This top part, this is the southern hemisphere, but India lies towards the northern hemisphere. So in the northern hemisphere, where we are being, so we are being in the northern hemisphere about 8 degrees 4 minutes. Example, if it is take 0, 8 degrees, maybe up to here 4 minutes. Next 37 degrees of north only, north latitude, not longitude, latitude. 37 degrees maybe up to come, it comes up to here 37 degrees. Okay, and next 68 degrees 7 minutes of east longitude means vertical line. So if it is, if you take it as a 0, 68 degrees it will come up to, if it is a 30, 60. So in this region. Next, after 68 to 97 degrees, 25 minutes. Maybe in this region it will come. So where is the meeting point? From, this is the meeting point of longitudes and latitudes. So this location we can call it, the India is being in this region towards the north part. So it is being near to the what? 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer. I think you understand well. So this is location of India. Okay. So that is the cause we always talk about the longitudes, latitudes. 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitude, 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, 68 degrees 7 east longitude, this longitude, and 97 degrees 25 means minutes longitude. Okay, so about this we are talking. So this where the meeting point of this latitudes and longitudes, exact position, exact location we can take by this. This is the place, location of India on the globe. Okay, so exact on the globe. So next, so we talk about the globe. So this is the equator, and above equator there will be a Tropic of Cancer. So this is called Tropic of Cancer. But India, exactly from the middle of India, example it is India, from the middle point of that India, the Tropic of Cancer, cross that. So it is making exactly into almost 2 equal parts. What? Making 2 equal parts? The 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer making India into almost equally into 2 halves. Okay, and also on India. So example, India. Okay, so if it is India, so here the Tropic of Cancer goes like this, exactly making 2 halves, and also towards the east and west parts, there will be a islands. Okay, already we know that islands are there. What island here? Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, Andaman, Nicobar. Here Lakshadweep. Here Lakshadweep Islands also there. We can see here. Okay, I think you understand. And it is being in the Arabian Sea. It is being in the Bay of Bengal. So this is the exact location of India. We can talk it is the exact location of India where we are being. You should not forget the about location. Okay. So next we will learn about the